This truck has been sitting for months, maybe years. Today we're gonna find out whether or not these headlights can be saved or brought back to life. Let's go. Okay, let's assess the damage here. I know it's a super hazy headlight. It does have some scratches and a tiny crack. I don't think the crack is letting any moisture in. So based on that, if your headlight is in similar shape or condition, might be worth a shot restoring it. But we won't know until we actually do this one, so let's find out. Okay, so this headlight is finished. I'm gonna show you a close-up here in just a second, but it doesn't look as good as my previous headlights, but it was pretty bad and it looks 100 times better. So was it worth restoring? I think so, but let's go and zoom in and see what kind of finish we accomplished. So here's my final thoughts. The headlight looks pretty good overall. It does have a crack here. I'm not sure if there's a crack somewhere and it's letting, you know, all that debris in. Maybe all that haziness is from the debris that's sitting inside too. But again, if your headlight is looking kind of beat up and you have no cracks in your headlight, I would actually think about restoring as opposed to replacing. If you do have cracks, then I would actually encourage you to replace instead. But again, overall, it looks pretty good. You're going to be able to see at night if that's what you're looking for. So is it worth it? Maybe yes, maybe not. I'll leave that up to you. Again, it all comes down to the actual physical condition, not the superficial. If it's all on the surface, damage that's just sitting on the surface, then of course I would encourage you to restore your headlight. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is Jared signing off. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, and I'll leave links down below to all the products that I used in this video. So, all right, peace out.